Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear managerial statistics course students, to understand and solve problems on probability using dice, balls, marbles, and grades. In this video discussion, I have divided into 6 parts, cited with ProQuest references for further reading and understanding. First, let us solve problems on hospital case using probability. In a hospital unit, there are 8 nurses and 5 physicians. 7 nurses and 3 physicians are females. If a staff person is selected, find the probability that the subject is a nurse or a male. So let's solve this problem. First, we have to draw sample space in a tabular form. So we need to take staff details like nurses, physicians, females, males, and total. As given in the question, there are 8 nurses in the total, 5 physicians. This total comes to 13. And 7 nurses, 3 physicians are female. This total comes to 10. Now, to find out what is the total of male, we need to take the total 7 females and minus with the total. So we will get 1 male. Same way with regard to physician, we need to take 3 minus with total 5. So we will get 2. So this total male will be 3. So this is the first step. We need to do a sample space. Now, the question says, find the probability that the subject is a nurse or male. So that is why I have underlined in yellow, that is nurse as well as male. Now, after highlighting nurses and male, we can see one common male nurse is appearing. This we need to reduce as below. First, we need to calculate the probability. Probability nurses or male, we need to take probability of nurses, add with probability of male, minus probability of male nurses. So probability of nurses total is 8 by 13, as you can see the total, and probability of male total is 3, and probability of male nurses is 1. So as you can see, I'm indicating with the arrow, and we need to add 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 minus 1 will be 10 by 13. So I hope problem number 1 is clear. Second, let us solve problems using dice. A single 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling 2 or 5? As I have discussed earlier in my class, whatever may be the number, it will be 1 by 6, as you all know very well. So let's solve. So probability of A rolling a 2 and probability of B rolling a 5. So we need to use a formula. Probability of A union B, we need to add probability A plus probability B. So probability A and probability B. Probability A will be 1 by 6 and probability B will be 1 by 6. That is rolling 2 and 5. So this 2 result we need to add by using this formula. So adding probability of A union B, it is 1 by 6. Probability A and probability B is 1 by 6. Our answer will be 2 by 6. So with this, problem number 2 answer is over. Third, let us solve problems using marbles in a glass jar. A glass jar contains 1 red, 3 green, 2 blue and 4 yellow marbles. If a single marble is chosen at random from the jar, what is the probability that it is yellow or green? So to find out the probability, we need to add the total 1 red, 3 green, 2 blue, 4 yellow. This total comes to 10. So let us solve the problem. Probability A I am assigning for yellow, probability B for green. So that is the question. If the question says yellow or green, we need to use a formula probability of A union B, that is probability A plus probability B. So this is the indication we need to use this formula. So probability A is 4 by 10, probability B is 3 by 10. As you can see, it is given in the question, yellow marble is 4 and green marble is 3. So adding this yellow and green together, we are getting 7 by 10. So this is our answer to this problem number 3. So I hope problem number 3 is clear. Point number 4, let us solve problem using grades. In a math class of 30 students, 17 are boys and 13 are girls. On a unit test, 4 boys and 5 girls made an A grade. So it means total of 9 students made A grade. If a student is chosen at random from the class, what is the probability of choosing a girl or an A grade student? Here, for this problem, we need to use probability girl or A grade. So we need to take probability girl plus probability of A grade students minus probability of girl students getting A. So probability A I am assigning for girl, probability B is for A grade. And probability A union B, probability A plus probability B minus probability of A intersection B. Now A, what is A girl? How many girls are there? 13. What is B A grade? How many total students secured A grade? That is 4 boys, 5 girls, 9. And we need to reduce probability of girl and A. Girls getting A grade is 5. So let us see the solution below. Probability A is 13 by 30, that is total girl students. Probability B is A grade, total 9 students out of 30. Probability of girl students getting A grade is 5. So by using this formula above, we are getting an answer 17 by 30. That is the total girls 13 of 30 plus 9 by 30 is the total A grade minus 5 girl students secured A grade. So 13 plus 9 minus 5 will give you 17 by 30. I hope problem number 4 is clear. Fifth, let us solve problem. Using a bag contains 30 balls number from 1 to 30. One ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that the number of ball is a multiple of 5 or 6. So until 30, we need to use multiple of 5 and multiple of 6. So let us solve the problem. First, multiple of 5, I'm using probability A. We know 5 tables. We need to use until 30. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So this count comes to 6 by 30 for multiple 5. So for multiple 6, probability B, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. So we are getting a count of 5. So 5 by 30. So after doing, we need to check from the multiple of 5, multiple of 6, what are the common number. The common number we get is only 30. So this one common number we need to reduce. So probability AB 1 by 30 is a common multiple 30. So we use the formula. We are asking 5 or 6, that is A or B, probability A plus probability B minus probability common multiple AB. So 6 by 30 plus 5 by 30 minus 1 by 30. So 6 plus 5 11, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10 by 30 is the answer for problem number 5. I hope problem number 5 is clear. Finally, let us solve problems without replacement type. A bag contains 10 white and 5 black balls. Two balls are drawn at random, one after the other without replacement. It means you draw the ball, you don't keep the ball again. So we need to find probability that both balls drawn are black. Let us do the solution. Now the probability of drawing a black ball in the first attempt. So when we draw from total of 15, it will be 5 by 15. That is black ball in the question is given 5. So 10 plus 5 will be 15. So the first probability A will be 5 by 15. Now in the second attempt, the probability of drawing the second black ball, given that first drawn is black and not replaced. When you don't replace, now after taking one ball, out of 5 there will be only 5 black balls. And the total also out of 15 it will get reduced to 14 as probability B shown below. So it is 4 divided by 14. So what we need to do, since the events are dependent, so the probability that both balls drawn are black, we need to take 5 by 15 multiply by 4 by 15. So 5 into 4, 20, 15 into 14 is 210. So this is the answer for problem number 6. Finally, with this, probability problems by using dice, balls, marbles and grades are over. If you have any comments or queries, you can email me. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much for watching.